Thank you. Any questions?
Hello, I am Jayendra Verma from Phoenix Software Solution. We developed an application for MP RRDA, that is, MP Rural Development Authority. May I make it? So we developed the application for bridging the gap between the MIS and the real scenario of the roads. Because what happened, sometimes what sub-engineers do, they take the photograph from another place and place to the MIS that this is a photograph of particular roads. So MIS basically don't come to know that this is a real photographs of particular roads or not. So we developed the application. Next slide, please. We developed this application. Here, latitude and longitude comes from satellites, and after coming latitude and longitude, this entry button gets enabled. Next. All the information regarding package and road information comes from received data manual. Here all the new road information and package information get collected from here. After that, when we press entry button, here first we select a district, then we select packages. In a particular package there are so many roads. We select the particular roads where we are, and this software developed for monitoring roads and bridges both. So we select whether we are monitoring the roads or bridges. If we are suppose we are selecting roads, then here we select pavements or shoulder. Means that we are evaluating the real roads or the side corners of road. Now we put the distance between from where to where we are monitoring these roads. What is the condition of the roads? And when we save it, the camera gets enabled, and we take the photograph of the roads. And same for the shoulder valuation. Next. Again, camera gets enabled, and all the list will come over here. Suppose now if in the same scenario, if suppose we want to evaluate the bridge, so in the first screen we select bridge. Next, here are the parameters related with the bridge, and after that the camera gets enabled, and in this scenario the PD application works. So in this situation, a photograph with the geotags and date and time gets saved on the PDA device, and after that when we send the data to the server, this information gets sent to the server, and when we log into the website, we see the information. Here are the basic master information that are fed in the development authority. And after that, when here are the comparison of a particular point. Means suppose I take the photograph of a particular location from today, and after 10 days if I again take the photograph, so I can compare what are the exactly development of this road. If suppose the road requires development, so development happens or not, it gets compared from there. When we when we click on the photographs, then it zooms out and shows the real-time photograph. That's again, this is for bridge data, and this information gets shows on Google Maps. So here these are the key points of our software that tells about the real that is photograph is real or not. Suppose I take photograph from Jabalpur location and show that this is a photograph of Katni location, so it will get flash over here that this is a wrong photograph I have taken off. So this is software.
I have a small query. One is, while I see that much of the efforts are to help the government to bring in more transparency, this is another similar example.
Yeah.
Maybe in future you're also looking at the quality of the bridge or the quality of the roads also needs to sort of somehow be captured.
Yeah.
A picture may not always give us the quality of road, whether the actual.
Yeah, we can enhance this software
So this
also.
may further get enhanced too,
Yeah, yeah.
including that. Is there any other questions from your audience?